GPS system used in Firebird robot. Let's start with the introduction. GPS is a system which most of us use on our smartphones to track our location. Most of us now might know the usage of GPS, like in mobile phones, vehicles, aviation, shipping, rail transport, and security purposes, also used in military, civil, and commercial uses around the world. GPS is a space-based navigation system which provides location, time, anywhere on Earth. Let's start with the working. The Global Positioning System, that is GPS, is a network of around 30 satellites orbiting the Earth at an altitude of 20,000 kilometers. The system was originally developed by US government for military navigation, but now anyone with a GPS device, be it a sat-nav, mobile phone or handheld GPS unit, can receive the radio signals that the satellite broadcasts. Wherever you are on the planet, at least 4 GPS satellites are visible at any time. Each one transmits information about its position and the current time at regular intervals. These signals, traveling at a speed of light, are intercepted by your GPS receiver, which calculates how far away each satellite is based on how long it took for the message to arrive. Once it has information on how far away at least 3 satellites are, your GPS transceiver can point your location using a process called trail iteration. Let's see trail iteration now. Imagine you are standing somewhere on Earth while 3 satellites in the sky above you. If you know how far away you are from satellite A, then you know how must be located. You must be located somewhere on the red circle. If you do the same for satellite B and C, you can work out your location by seeing where the 3 circles intersect. This is just what your GPS receiver does, although it uses overlapping spheres rather than circles. The more satellites there are above the horizon, the more accurately your GPS can determine where you are. There are 2 types of GPS interfacing module, namely GPS receiver MT3318 module and GPS receiver MT3318 USB module. Only difference between these two is that USB technology is used in one. GPS receiver MT3318 module is based on a MediaTek MTK MT3318 chip. It has active patch antenna from Circocom. It can track 51 satellites simultaneously. The GPS receiver is mounted on the PCB along with the 3.3 volt low drop voltage regulator, transmitter, receive and power indicated LEDs. SMIC trigger based buffer for 5 volt to 3.3 volt logic level conservation. This GPS receiver gives data output in standard NMEA format with update rate of 1 second at 9600 bits per second. Receiver has onboard battery for memory backup for quicker acquisition of GPS satellites. Module can directly work on 5 volt supply and can be interfaced with 5V TTL/CMOS logic. Board has 10 pins mail burger connected at both ends for easy mounting on PCB and comes with the two 10-pin female work connectors which can be soldered on your PCB. This PCB module is very easy to interface and requires only transmit receive pins for the serial port of the microcontroller. These are the specifications of GPS module. And these are some more specifications. Let's go further. In front of you is the inner view of GPS receiver. The GPS battery is shown over here, and the male Berg connector also with 2 mm pitch. It has MTK MT3318 GPS chipset in it. Now the pin configuration of the module is as follows. The 5 volt that is supply voltage gives 5 volt supply to this pin. Ground connects to the supply ground. RX is receive module, which is serial in pin series data from external TTL/CMOS UART to GPS module to receive the NMEA commands, and TX is for transmit. This is serial out pin, that is serial data from GPS module to external TTL/CMOS UART to determine the NMEA commands. The only thing to note in this is default configuration on serial port, that is standard GPS software is 9600 baud, 8 data bit, no polarity, 1 stop bit, no flow control. This is the GPS receiver MT3318 module interfacing with the microcontroller. In this case, microcontroller is working at 5 volt. The GPS receiver MT3318 module TDX pin of the GPS receiver can be directly connected to the microcontroller's RDX pin. Also connect common ground between both of the devices. GPS data can be received by the microcontroller or on the PC using any terminal software. This is the diagram of sensor adapter module for Firebird 5 Atmega 2560 robot. This slide represents installing the GPS module on the robot can let us track the location of robot whenever required. And the details of whatever mounted on this chipset are in this slide. Many different modules can be interfaced with Firebird 5, and they are shown in this diagram, like the GPS receiver module, accelerator, range selector, yaw gyroscope, etc. etc. This is the location of GPS module on Firebird 5 with the location of yaw gyroscope, pitch roll gyro, and etc. GPS module is connected to UART pins, UART 3 pins of Atmega 2560 microcontroller. These pins are also connected to LED bar graph display on Atmega 2560 adapter board. For correct operation, you need to disable the bar graph display by removing jumper marked at J3. And that's all. We conclude the session now. And that's all about GPS module in Firebird 5. Thank you.